Everything you see on the ground is not dirt. That is mold growth. That is all the white, gray, fuzzy stuff that was growing on the fins on the blower motor wheel. So I've already coated it. I let it soak for 15 minutes. Hit it with the spray washer twice, and it's still not clean. You can see it's still stuck on there. So I'm gonna be spraying this again, and I'm gonna let it soak for about a half hour, an hour or so, and probably spray it again with the cleaner again, let it soak another 10 minutes, and then hit it with the washer. Basically almost the labor just to clean this, take it apart, whatever. We're in San Francisco, so we're approaching $200 an hour or more. Just replace the head. I mean, to let it get this dirty is just no reason. The mold, the amount of mold in here, and it's so crusted in there, it's kind of, you weigh out the balance of just replacing the whole head. If you were in a state where labor rates were only $15 an hour or $30 an hour or something like that, and maybe your company was charging $65 or $95 an hour or something, yeah, you could get away and have a guy waste his whole day up here taking the whole thing apart and cleaning it. And this is supposed to be a quick clean and just a service and maintenance. This is what happens when it doesn't get serviced and maintenance, and basically the cleanup equals the value of the actual replacing the air handler. Nothing wrong with the air handler, everything wrong with the application and lack of maintenance.